Just thought I'd show you some mushrooms that are grown in Denmark. These are puffballs, these are edible ones. You can see that they're distinct, they look a little bit alienistic. Not from this planet, like, but you want to be careful where you pick them from, not from polluted ground, because it picks up metals within the mushroom, you know, and accumulates elements, you know, it could be toxic to the bloodstream. But the best thing is about mushrooms, they're from a different kingdom altogether, you know, to plants. They have their own medicinal properties. Obviously you can find toxic, poisonous ones, and the way to categorise them is basically you have symbiotic mushrooms. And symbiotic means it grows like symbiotically with a tree. You know, it takes carbohydrates, which is a sugar source, and it helps the tree absorb water and minerals. And then you can get parasitic mushrooms, so they're like a parasite to, you know, to a tree. And then you can get saprophytic fungi, and that what they do is get energy from dead organic matter. But you'd have your likes of this old school one. This is a fly agaric, and this is what you call an old school hallucinogenic one. This is what you see the gnomes standing on the pitches, and you'd end up with stomach ache off that, and a lot of hallucinogens, I'll tell you that much. Whether you survive it, I don't know. These are looking a little bit like suspicious, so to speak, in a sense of are these shrooms, I don't know. I'll have to identify them. Half of these things on this table will put you to kip, wipe you out. Kidneys will start shutting down, or you'll have cardiovascular you know, problems. But some of them are very medicinal, and as you can see, you know, these puffballs, these are definitely edible. There's a lot of mushrooms that I don't know, and I wouldn't try it. You know, even if it says it's edible, like them puffballs there, even if you say it's edible, if you've never tried them before, what I'd advise is slicing one, cooking one, and then having a little tester of it to see how your body reacts, because everyone's body is differently, so you don't want to be having something that where your body, even though it says in a book you can eat them, you know, your body might react differently. You don't know. It's mad, some of the chemicals that are in these, it's just, you've never found anywhere in any other plants. That's why, you know, if you don't include mushrooms and plants in your diet, you're missing out on big time medicine there. You know, this is the reason why we're all sick, because we're not eating this natural stuff. You know, when we start eating man-made processed food, dairy, you know, all that crap, that's when we start getting sick, because your body starts producing, like, you know, toxins as a toxic waste to get rid of the shite that's in you. They're looking a little bit like shrooms, aren't they, with the nipple on the top. They're not Liberty Caps, I'll tell you that much. But as you know, I have no idea who picked these. These were all just on this table. Yeah, look at these pink ones here. Colour of them is pink. Red, all mad colours, look. Orange. Yeah. Trying to wait for the camera to stabilise properly. Get a better look. Yeah, as I say, all I'm doing is I'm identifying these, what's here on the table now, just for future reference, really. You know, I'll tell you if I'm still alive or not. Or I won't be able to tell you, will I? Be dead. Maybe brown bread, mate. No orange ones. Yeah, so if I was going to do some studying, because you're missing out big time, peeps. Let's go.